Hello viewers, welcome to Girls Diary. Today I am going to share a super simple and most effective DIY to achieve thick and long eyebrows and eyelashes. And let's prepare tinted brow gel at home, which will add a hint of color to your eyebrows. As a bonus, it will provide nourishment also. Let's get started. Take a small glass ball. Start by adding about 2 tablespoons of aloe vera gel. Aloe vera gel can be applied to the eyebrows and eyelashes to moisturize and nourish the hair follicles. Here I am using cold pressed castor oil. Take a half tablespoon of castor oil. When it comes to hair growth, castor oil is a must. It is known for its hair growth properties. Applying castor oil can boost hair growth up to 5 times than the usual rate. Now I am adding 1/4 tablespoon of almond oil to the mixture. Almond oil would stimulate the keratin production and strengthen the hair strands. Adding 2 vitamin E capsules. Cut and pour the liquid into the mixture. Vitamin E is said to work wonders for our hair, mainly due to its antioxidant and moisturizing properties. Now give it a good stir until all the ingredients are well combined. Once the mixture is ready, you can see the cream-like consistency. Transfer it to a glass jar. Store this gel in room temperature. Or you can transfer it to an empty mascara bottle. Use a clean mascara wand to apply this gel. Remember to apply this gel to your eyebrows daily at night times for best results. Consistency is the key. Little goes a long way. This small container can last up to 2 months. To the remaining gel, I am adding a small amount of eyeshadow so that we can use it in the daytime as a tinted eyebrow gel. Mixing brown and black colors. Once mixed, it will give a deep brown which will complement your natural brow color. As you can see, the color is so natural and pigmented. Transfer it to an empty mascara bottle and use it whenever you want. Apply it to your eyebrows and eyelashes as well. Be careful while applying the gel. Make sure it is not going into your eye. You can see the difference just in a month. I hope you like this video. Thanks for watching. Please do like, share and subscribe to Girls Diary.